Swim, swim, and then a fishy go by. Swim, swim, and then a fishy go by. Right? Okay, that's going to create the illusion that... What was that?
I thought that was cool.
I'm not gay. Is that what you said? I'm not. I'm very easy to work with. Can I say that?
Oh, thank you very much.
No, but I mean, it's like, this guy, anytime I ask for something, he gives it to me. Every time I ask you for something, I come up against a brick wall. Don't talk back to... That's crazy. You're talking to C. When you're talking to C, you shut it. Listen. You're going, ha, ha. I want you to be going like, hey, hey. And I want you to be going like, ooh, ooh. And I want you to be going like, oh, shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. And I want you to be going like, yeah, I say bye. Ooh, ooh. Shimmer, 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 shimmer. A shimmer, 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 shimmer. Ah, shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. A shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. A sheep, sheep, yep, 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 yep. Shimmer, 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 shimmer. What you got there?
I forgot.
I'm pretty tight with Lance Bass from NSYNC, and I'm going to convince him to join Dudes Aplenty. Here's my pitch to you. NSYNC, get out while the getting's good and join Dudes Aplenty. What do you think? Let me tell you something. There's a rocket called Dudes Aplenty, and it's going to Success Planet. There's one more seat on the rocket. I'm holding that seat for Lance Bass.
But I am going to have to decline. I don't